Autodesk Fusion 360 provides a unique platform for both design and manufacturing to collaborate. By placing data at the core, this now gives a central source of truth to both manufacturing and design, allowing for continuous update and change to take place. This means that manufacturing solutions like CAM could be explored at the same time that design changes or improvements are being created on an existing design. This central source of truth provides total documentation and total access to all parties involved. But the power of Fusion 360 isn't simply limited to being able to track design change or design creation. It's the ability now to collaborate using our Fusion Teams Hub. By simply using a web browser, I have access to three-dimensional geometry. I can create three-dimensional markups, add detail, add notes, make sure that specific pieces of information are available to all collaborative team members on a given project. And because Fusion 360 has direct manufacturing connections, continued optimization may be done concurrently for things like manufacturing or injection molding, 3D printing, or even machining. So while a given manufacturing expert, say for injection molding, may be optimizing the cooling system and exploring what these alternatives mean through these direct connections with Fusion 360, we can visualize the impact that this is going to have, while our CAM or machining expert can explore alternatives for machining an insert to the mold for the exact same part. And alternative solutions like 3D printing the insert can be explored. Continued collaboration through advanced manufacturing processes, design, sharing of data, and documentation are now completely accessible to everyone within the Fusion 360 platform.